Hello, good morning students. Today we will learn how to factorize a quadratic polynomial and a cubic polynomial. How to factorize. Factorize quadratic polynomial we already learned in 8th class. Quadratic polynomial. Question number 4 of 2.4 of first part of fourth question. 12x square minus 7x plus 1 factorize. Factorize, what is meaning factorize? Factorize, write its factor. Suppose if anyone asks you write the factor of 12, 2 into 6, 4 into 3, so 1, so 12 equal to 1 into 12. So all are the factors of 12. 1, 12, 4, 3, 2, 6. They are the factor of 12. Same as it is, we will find its factor. Factor means we will write any number in product. Understand? So we will write same as it is. This is a which one polynomial? It is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because degree is 2. Degree is 2. It is a quadratic polynomial. So now we will learn how to factorize. So always factorize. So how will you factorize a quadratic polynomial? Look at everyone. Always we will write the polynomial in decreasing order. First is square, power is 1 and then 0. And after this one, we will split the middle term. We will split the middle term in two numbers. Suppose in two numbers are P plus Q. Sum of two numbers is middle number. How much? Minus 7. Sum of two number is minus 7. And now multiplication of these two numbers P and Q. We will already learned, discussed in 8th class. Everyone know how to split the middle term. Sum of two number is middle term and product of these same number P into Q is first and last number. 12 into 1, 12. Understand or not? Otherwise you can remember like this one. P plus Q. Sum is middle term. You can note down. And product is first and third term. Understand? So 12 into 1, 12. So now tell me two number whose sum is minus and product is 12. So how will we find these two numbers? Look at. So tell me product of two number is positive. So product of two number is positive is come either both are negative. Because negative into negative, positive. Second, either or both are positive. If we are taking both are positive, so sum of two number is negative, it is possible? Not possible. Why? Because the product of two number is positive. And what is product? 12. And both are positive. 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. But sum is 7. 3 plus 4, sum is 7. But we have to find sum is minus 7. Understand? So it means we cannot take both are positive. Because both are positive, multiplication is positive. And if we take sum of two number both are positive, answer never come negative. So now, so it means product of two number is positive. Either both are positive or both are negative in multiplication. Understand or not? So it means both are positive is not possible. So what are? So both are negative. Understand? So now we will check two number whose sum is 12 and both are negative and sum is minus 7. So 12 you can find minus 1 into minus 12. Minus 1 negative into negative positive. 1 into 12 12 and sum minus 1 into 1 into 12 sum. Now we will check its sum. Minus 1 plus minus 12. When same sign always add. 1 plus 12 13. But sum is minus 7. This means this case is not possible. Next. Only we will write its factor. Minus 2 into minus 6. Again. Product is 12. Minus 2 into minus 6, 12. But sum minus 2 plus minus 6, minus 8. It is also not possible. Next. minus 3 multiplication minus 4. Now minus 3 into minus 3 minus positive 12. Now sum of minus 3 and minus 4, what is? Minus 7. So it means these two numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. Understand? So we will write 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Again I am telling what? We will split the middle term into number whose sum is minus 7. Dekho, sum is minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x. Understand? And product 12. Minus 3 into minus 4. 1 into 12. 12. Understand? So like this. Now we will make pairs like this one and this one. Understand? And we will take some common because we want to factorize. Factorize mean multiply. That means what is the common? 12x square and 3x. So what is x? X. And 3 and 12. 3 into 4. So 3x is common. What is remain? If you don't understand what is remain, so 12, this number is divided by what we take common. So x cancel x, so 3 cancel 4. So what is remain? 4x. Understand? Again, you can solve again, it's reverse. 3x into 4, 12x square. Now, negative. 3x is already common, so negative, 1 is common. Remain. Understand? And always remember, whenever take from here common, any common. We will take a common from here and here always remain same term. 4x plus 1. Now, 4x plus 1, not 4x minus 1, sorry. 4x minus 1. We observe here is 4x is negative, but here we write positive, and it is when it is come. So it's mean we take here and 1 is positive and here is negative. It's mean we took here common is minus 1. Understand? Whenever sign is changed, it's mean we take a common is minus. Is minus. Again you can solve. Reverse. Like minus 1. 1 into 4x. Negative into positive. Negative. Negative into negative. Negative. Understand? Now again we will take common. From this one and this one, what is common? No need to underline this one, okay? So this one, what is common? 4x minus 1. So what is remain here? 3x, and here is minus 1. So it is factorized. First binomial into second binomial. If you multiply both, again it is come. You can verify also. Multiply both. 4x into 3x, 12x square. 4x into minus 1, minus 4x. 3x into minus 1, minus 3x. Minus 3x plus minus 7, 7x. And minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Understand? Only remember, split the middle term whose sum is middle number and product is first and last number. One more part for fourth question. Which one? Factorize fourth part. 3x square minus x and minus 4. Factorize this quadratic polynomial. How will we? We will, it's mean sum of two number p plus q. Sum of two number is middle term. What is middle term? X, but x is multiplied by 1. And what is here? Negative. What is? Minus 1. And product of these two number is first and last term. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. Again, product of two number is negative. So product of two number is negative. It means one is negative and another is positive. Because product of two number is negative in only one case. One is negative, one is positive. It is clear. Now, but if two number is in two number, one is negative and one is positive. Which one we will take negative and which one we will take a positive? How will you check? Now, and product of two number is negative, but sum of two number is also negative because one is positive, one is negative. It means minus 6 plus 4. So it means minus. And if we take 4 negative and plus 6, so it means 2. So it means if in two number, one is negative, one is positive. Sum is negative when bigger number is negative. Understand? So it means, so here we check product of two number is negative. It means one is negative, one is positive. And sum of these two number is also negative. It means bigger one is negative. So take product of two number is 12. So 12 when one negative, one positive, and bigger one is negative. Minus 12 into 1. Minus 12 into 1, minus 12. And sum is minus 11. But sum is minus 1, not possible. Next, minus 6 into 2. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. And sum, minus 4. It is not possible. Next, minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. And sum, minus 4 plus 3. What is minus 1? Yes, it is possible. So now again, so split the middle term. 3x square, what is minus 4x? Don't write minus 4 and minus 3, because minus 4 minus 3 minus plus 3 is minus 1, but it is x. So we will write minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. What I told you, split the middle term. Minus 4x plus 3x minus x. Now make PS like this one. So take common from this one. What is common? X, x. And any other common? No. So x is common. What is remaining? 3x minus 4. And what I told you, same, whatever we'll write here in bracket, same as it is we will write here. 3x minus 4. From this one, what we will take common? 3x is remain. Positive, positive. It means we will take common only positive. So plus 1. Don't write only 1. It means this one multiply this one, this one. All are multiplied. Plus 1 in place. Understand? Now, what is common from this one and this one? What is 3x minus 4? And take common x plus 1. So this quadratic polynomial is factorized. Understand? So we will factorize by splitting the middle term. Sum of two number is middle term and product is first and last term. Understand? So this is the how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Now we will learn how to factorize cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Yes, cubic polynomial. Question number 5, first part. What is? Read everyone. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Factorize. Let's go. In quadratic polynomial, how many factors? 2. In cubic polynomial, there is 3 factors. So how will you find a factorize? How to factorize the cubic polynomial? So look at everyone how to check. Yes, if we want to factorize, we will use in cubic polynomial factor theorem. Factor theorem is what? If PA equal to 0, if PA equal to 0, then x minus this number is factor of px. Suppose it is, we have given a px. Polynomial is, it is a given a polynomial. Px is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. So, and we know it's a factor theorem. If PA equal to 0 and a is any real number, so here we will put a value of, in place of x we will put the value of some real number and it is become 0. If it is become 0, then x minus a is a factor of this polynomial. And what number we will put? It is very crucial. It is very important. How to we put? We will do by trial method. What is trial method? Listen first. Trial method. Trial method like this one. Suppose px given 2x plus 2. So what value we will put in place of x, then it will become 0. So trial method means we will start by ourselves. What is? Suppose first we will put in p equal to 1. If we put p equal to 1, In place of x is 1. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 to 4. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Now we will put minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 2. 0. Yes, here. So it means we will check, put the sum values and it is become 0. So it is called trial method. We will put. Understand? Understand or not? Otherwise, and we can find directly also, because 2x plus 2 put equate to 0. So 2x plus 2 equal to 0 to another side minus 2. So x equal to minus 1. So x what is? 1. If you put x equal to minus 1, it is become 0. So put equate to 0. But we are doing by this method, by trial method. Because in cubic polynomial we cannot equate to 0. So we will write if pa equals 0. So we will write by trial method. How we will check? Look at everyone. First we will start from x equal to 0, x equal to 1, now x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. At least more than in most of the question it is become either x equal to 0, it is become 0, or x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. So we will check from the x equal to 1. Understand? So put P1. In place of a, what is 1? So put 1 cube minus 2, 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Yes, P1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 2, 0, 0. It's mean 0. P1 equal to 0. If PA is equal to 0, PA is 0, then it's mean. So therefore, x minus this number, therefore x minus this number, x minus 1 is x minus is factor of px. So x minus 1 is a factor of px. What is px? Of px, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So it means of this cubic polynomial, one factor we already find. What is x minus 1? Now how many factors remain? 2. A cubic polynomial has 3 factors. Quadratic polynomial has 2 factors. Now we will find 2 more factors. Tell me, suppose if I tell you find the factor of 12 and find the factor of 12 and one factor is 2. One factor is 2. 2 into some number. So how will you find? If we know one factor, the second factor we can find easily. How will you find? 12 divided by 2. If it's 2 is factor, it means remainder become 0. If x minus 1 is factor, so if you will divide this polynomial by x minus 1, it is become 0. So 2 into 6, 0. It means 12 equal to dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient. So these are the second factor. So it means if we know any one factor of any polynomial, so we will divide it and we can find other factor. Like this one here, 2 is a factor of 12 and 5 the other factor. So 12 divided by 2 and what is another factor? 6. Understand? Easily or not? So same as it is, if you want to find the factor of this polynomial, so we will divide by, what is the factor of given of this polynomial? X minus 1. So divide by x minus 1. So we will divide now. Next. So now, so x minus 1 is a factor of this one. So divide. Now, after this one, so x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 and x minus. And I think everyone know how to divide two polynomial. Yes, first we will write here some number, when we multiply it, same number is become. It means x square into x minus 1, x square into x cube minus x square. Always change sign. Positive, negative, negative, positive. 0. Minus 2x square plus x square. How much remain? minus x square. Now minus x. Again we will write here some number. When we multiply it, it is become minus x square. Otherwise, if you can't think, so divide first term by from here first term. So minus x square divided by x. Negative divided by positive, always answer positive. X cancel x. So what is minus x? So write minus x. Understand? So minus x, you can write so minus x square plus x. Now plus minus cancel. Minus x minus 2x. And what is remain? Plus 2. Now same as it is. Write as some number, we multiply it minus 2x. So multiply minus 2. So minus 2x minus 2. Understand? So it is become minus minus positive. Positive negative. My 2 minus 2 0. So it's mean x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Remainder is 0. So it's mean x cube, and we will write here formula. What is? It is dividend. Dividend equal to, it is divisor, equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Everyone know this one? So it's same as it is. Dividend what is? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to divisor. What is divisor? X minus 1. देखो 1 is its factor and multiply it x square minus x minus 2 and plus remainder is 0. So no need to add. So it is 0. So what is become? So this is the x minus 1 into x square minus x plus minus 2. So these are the factor. But we know cubic polynomial is how many factors? 3 factor. One is this one and it is also one factor, but it is a quadratic polynomial, and quadratic polynomial factor you can find easily. Yes, everyone know. In fourth question we already learned how to find. So look at, suppose I am rubbing some portion. So check it always by using trial method. One factor we will find from trial method, and after it is a factor we will divide it. So I am rubbing this one. There is a space problem. So now how will factor? So now, so one factor we already know, x minus 1. Now what is remain? X square minus x minus 2. Now how will you find? Everyone, quadratic polynomial factor, how you can find? Sum of two number p plus q equal to middle number. Middle is minus 1, and product of two number first and last term, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So think two number whose product is negative, and product is negative, it means one is positive, one is negative, but their sum is negative, it means bigger is negative. So product minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, and sum minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So it means what is the product? What are their number? Minus 2x and x. So x square. So what is minus x square minus 2x plus x? 1 mean 1 x, 1 into x minus 2. Understand? Minus 2x plus x minus x. Understand? So think, we have to think only two numbers. So x minus 1. Yes, take common. What is common? So we will write x is common. X minus 2. And what I told, what is right here in another pair is also same number, x minus 2. Yes, what number you will take from x? Positive, positive, negative, negative. It means plus 1. Now x minus 1. What is common from x minus 2? X minus 2. So x minus 2. What is remain? Here is x, here is 1. So how many factor? 3 factor. 1, 2, 3 of this polynomial. Understand? So like this one, we will find its factor. I hope everyone is understand. Understand or not? So everyone will try all part of 5th question. Understand? One more part I am telling you how to write. So 5th. some students are saying, sir, you are making a video is very large. So I am trying to reduce the time period of the video. So one more, suppose we are discussing fourth part of fifth question. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 by trial method. It is a cubic polynomial. By trial method. First we will put 1. If p1 is not 0, then we will put minus 1. If here is also not 0, we will put 2. Here is also not 0, then minus 2. Like this one we will calculate. Okay. So p1 is 2 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 1 minus 1. So what is 2 plus 1 minus 2, and it is become 0. It means so p1 equal to 0. If p1 is equal to 0, it means by factor theorem. It means x minus this number, x minus 1 is factor of p. What is here is y, so we will write y minus 1 because here it is py. Understand? Because all variables are given in y. So y minus 1 is factor of py. And if it is factor, so we can find other two factors. How will you find other two factors? By dividing. So divide 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus y. So y minus 1. Think a number when you multiply it. So y, 2y square, 2y cube minus 2y square. Change the sign, negative, positive. So it's become 3y square minus 2y. Think a number when you multiply it, same number, plus 3y. So 3y square minus 3y, negative, positive. Now y minus 1. Understand? So what is plus 1? So y minus 1. Negative, positive. So what is remain? 0. So it's mean this py equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y equal to dividend equal to divisor into y minus 1 multiplied 2y square plus 3y plus 1. So a cubic polynomial has three factors. One is already found and other two we are finding by this one, by quadratic polynomial. I am rubbing this one and you note down. So you will write y minus 1. Yes, 2y square. Split the middle term. Sum of two number is middle term and multiplication first and last. So 3y sum is 2y plus y plus 1. Yes, 2y plus y, 3y, and multiplication 2 into 1, so 2 you can find. So y minus 1. So here 2y is common. What is remain? Y plus 1. So plus 1, y plus 1. So I think everyone is understand. So what is the factor? So these are the three factors. Like this one, first part, second part we can solve easily. Understand? I hope everyone is understand. So our 2.4 exercise is finished. So try to solve this one. Everyone. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.